Hi guys, welcome to the first tutorial of Python from beginner to advanced series. In this series we will learn programming in Python with the help of games. We will create some awesome games in this series. But in this tutorial I will first download Python for my PC. You can download it for yours. I have opened python.org. I will put this link in description from where you can download Python for yours. So you can see here I have options like Windows, Linux, Mac. I will download it for Windows. You can download for yours operating system. If you have Linux or Mac, go for Linux or Mac option. I will download it for Windows. So here in Windows option I have options like what different versions of Python like 3.8, 3.7. I would suggest you to download the latest version like 3.8 or 3.7. Don't go for past versions like 2.7 or others. You should download 3.8 or 3.7 only. So here we have options like 64-bit executable installer and 32-bit executable installer. So if you have a 64-bit PC, you can download 64-bit executable installer, and for 32-bit we have option here. You can download it from here. If you don't know with how much bit your PC is, you can go to computer properties, and here we have option system type. In my it is 32-bit. You can check for yours and download it. As I have already downloaded 3.7 version in my PC, so I will not download right now, but you can download it from here. After you downloaded your Python, go in downloads and search for Python exe file. So here you can see I have a Python exe file, so I will install. Here you can see an option in the bottom, add Python 3.7 to path. You should tick this option and then install now. So we have successfully installed Python in our PC. To check if Python is installed or not, I will open command prompt. You can open command prompt or PowerShell or git bash and just type Python and press enter. Here you can see I have Python 3.7.4 written. So I have successfully installed Python in my PC. I will exit from here. So for now I have successfully downloaded Python in my PC. So in our next video we will learn some functions, classes, lists and other stuffs, and after that we will start programming games and we'll be creating some awesome games. Till then, goodbye.